Welcome back everyone. Now that we've seen what the splash screens looks like, let's have a look at the three view, just a very quick tour of what the three views of Power Desktop is. So if we start off with having closed off the welcome splash screen, and you will be greeted with this, something that looks like this. If you are not opening a new Power BI, you will see this Untitled. Up here you'll see Untitled, meaning this is a brand new Power BI report. Where I want to actually direct your attention to is that there are these three icons here. There are of course a lot of these so-called ribbons, and there's further panes here, and also there's furthermore tabs down here. This is where I really want to direct your attention to. So you notice that there are three icons here. So just to give you a little bit more details, let's zoom in a little bit. So the three icons here are depicted by report, data view, as well as model view. Sometimes the model view is also called the relationship views. Report was the screen that you saw earlier, which is this one here. Data is where you actually start to manipulate the data, and also of course consume or import the data as well. And the final part is the modeling view, which is the relationship view between your different tables that you import. Now, please do note that this is subject to change as well. Power BI is actually under very active development right now, almost on a monthly basis. There's some new features being rolled out by Microsoft. So there's something that you do want to actually pay attention to. So the other thing is that I have provided links here for you to actually dig in a little bit more to understand these three. But this is a resource for you to look into when you're ready. But in the meantime, I'm going to stop this video now. So this is really a very broad stroked introduction to the three views. And the next lesson, we're going to go into the report view.